Hi everyone, I just wanted to give some quick feedback on the outline assignment. That is graded and grades are posted. I also left individual feedback on everyone's outline. So if you click on the grades tab and then click on the assignment words, it will take you to the submission page and you'll be able to see my comment on the right hand side. Please do read that. I also want to apologize that my feedback's kind of abrupt. I really only focused in on the things that you should work on. I usually try to give like a mix of feedback of positive and negative, but I really just wanted to get these back to you super fast so you had time this weekend to work. So I apologize that I didn't comment on the good things. You did have good things in there. All of you did. I didn't have time to comment on them. I just wanted to give you some solid things to work on for the weekend as you start drafting. So I do apologize. I try usually to have more of a balance of good and bad feedback in there. So, but please do look that over. Some general things that I quickly wanted to talk about. One is MLA. Please remember I have a syllabus policy, and this will be the first time we're entering it, which is that if MLA is not correct, both format and citing, your essay will be returned ungraded. You'll get a 0 on it. You can then correct your MLA and resubmit for 3 days for late credit, meaning the most you can get is 50%. So please make sure you work on fixing your MLA. In this announcement, in announcements, I posted this video as well as your help resources. You have me, of course. I have office hours you can attend or email. Please use me as a resource. Option number 2 is the library. They have a 24-hour chat. They can help with the Noodle tools. That's their program. They can also help with citations. This is what they do. Your third option is the Learning Success Center. The link is there. It's free tutoring. They can help with MLA. They can help with writing. They can help with any of it. So any of those resources are good for MLA. Just keep in mind that this has to be correct for this paper. There's no getting around it. If you're not citing correctly throughout the essay, it's plagiarism. All research needs to be cited and cited correctly, and then that works cited page needs to be done correctly. And with that, please do review the essay requirements in the assignment for the actual essay. You do have to highlight your works cited page sources in different colors and highlight their matching in-text citation in the same color. So make sure you look at the requirements again and read through it, okay? Lastly, works cited page, make sure you're print exporting from Noodle Tools. A lot of you guys had some format issues on the outline, so make sure you're using that print export feature. Okay. General content things, please make sure your thesis statement states your solution. That is the focus of this paper. In the intro, you introduced the problem, you gave the background and the current standing of the topic, which should have all been pulled from your research. So you already established the problem. The focus of this essay is the solution. So your thesis needs to say something like the gender wage gap is a huge problem and can only be solved through blank. Fill it in. That's where your solution goes. You've got to state your solution there. Then you should have 2 main body paragraphs where you prove why that solution can work. What are the big reasons why your solution can work? You then need to use the Toulmin model to prove those topic sentences. Keep in mind that in the outline, I had a little red blurb at the end of each paragraph that said copy and paste this for as many times as you need to. You should have more than one sub-argument in each paragraph. You need several reasons to prove that topic sentence. So some of you, as you move into drafting, have some expanding to do. Make sure you are using the Toulmin model. That is a requirement for this class. That is a requirement for this essay. And that really is the future of college writing. That is how we write at this level. So make sure that you are using it. I think that's kind of my big things. Oh, grounds. Grounds needs to be researched. So make sure that every grounds is based in research, is pulled from research using a direct quote, paraphrase, or summary, just like our integration research practices we've been doing. So make sure you're integrating through direct quote, paraphrase, or summary, and those are all cited. We've got to give credit to the research, okay? All right, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. I will post your help resources in this announcement as well. And please use me. I'm here. I know that we're online, but that doesn't mean that I'm not here to help you. So please reach out if you need help. Okay. Have a good weekend. Get going on drafting. And of course, email me your questions.